My name is Neal Kelley, also known as Raven Tech. Today in this video, I wanted to go over how you can actually sign up for ChatGPT. I wanted to go step by step so that you know how to set yourself up, and and I want to explain the difference between the paid version and the free version. So let's dive into it and let's get started. When you go to chat.openai.com, you will be greeted, and let's do that. Let's go to chat.openai.com. You'll be greeted with this login, right? What we want to do is we want to sign up. When you sign up, you enter your email address, right? And the email address that we're going to be using is my Gmail account, which is this guy here. And you enter your name, you enter your birth date. And just for the sake of privacy, I really don't want anybody to know my birth date. So I've entered my birth date and I went to the next page and it brought me to this page. So here we are, Chat GPT. Now, if you notice, I'm on Chat GPT 3.5 and 4.0 is if you want to upgrade. Now, if you want to upgrade, um, of course, it is $20 a month, but you can still use the free version and get a lot of things done. Here we are. So it's that simple to sign up. So now, some of the things that we went through in a previous video, I just wanted to kind of go over this with you, just a little bit. So let's say if I say hello, right? It'll respond. How can I assist you? Um, Write an essay about farming in Uganda. It'll write the essay for you as quickly as that, right? Government policies, challenges of smallholder farms, and it gives you a conclusion, right? If I ask you to write code for a um, for write code, I'm sorry, to sort names in HTML. I did this in the other video, but I'm just going to briefly go over this. It'll actually write the programming code for you. As you can see, it does it fairly quickly, right? Um, if I wanted to ask questions about business, like for instance, how do I ship um, merchandise from Uganda to China using ocean freight? I think I spelled freight wrong, right? And of course, we definitely have to capitalize the U in Uganda. It'll tell you everything that you need to know, right? And of course, this is very basic. It's telling you research plan, custom clearance. You can ask it to go into more details, right, for particular things. So let's say, for instance, right, research plan, right? Um, you see where it says it's number one. So I'll say, can you go into more detail for number one? Number one is here. Oops, sorry. Number one is here. Oh, anyway, is the research plan. So let's go ahead and try that. Let's see what it gives you. So it goes into more detail, right? Very, very, very good stuff, right? This can help you a lot, right? If I say, let's say, for instance, what are the common foods in Uganda, right? Matoke, posho, luombo, right? Nyamachoma, right? Matoke and groundnut sauce, Rolex fried fish, posho and beans. Of course, there's mandazi, wagari, um, schwabe, schwabwa. I'm not sure I'm pronouncing that very wrong. I apologize. Um, so here's the thing. It also has the ability to translate. So I can say translate this into Chinese, and it will, um, after a little bit of thinking, right? Oh, could you please provide the text to be translated into Chinese? Well, I can say translate the previous text into Chinese. And let's see what it does. And there it is. So it's translating it, right? So it's taking the entire text and it's translating it. And this can happen in any language, right? So here, this button will allow me to stop it. I can stop, right? And then I can come over here and I could say, um, now translate this into Swahili. This is just the introduction, and it's a very powerful tool. This is just a free version. So I wanted to show you how to onboard, how to sign up for ChatGPT. It is not an app, it is a web-based thing. So keep in mind that you will need data on your phone to be able to use it. There's no app for it. Don't get fooled by all these things that say ChatGPT that's on the internet, not on the internet, but on the Google Play Store. They all want money. This is free if you use the web page. And again, the web page is chat.openai.com. And just so that you can see it very, very well, let me put it in a text file. Actually, well, yeah, let me kind of put it here for you and let me zoom in if that is possible. Yes, it is. Oh, we'll do it here, sorry. Right? That is the website, right? Let me actually zoom in some more. That is the website, right? Um, excuse my dog barking in the background if you hear it. Um, that is the website. So that's it, guys. Um, I hope you this found this information useful, and I'll be uploading more content as we go. That's very, very important. That's going to teach you specifically how you can make money here in Uganda. You can make over 1 million shillings a month if you do it right here in Uganda. So thank you very much. And please, please, please subscribe. Subscribe to my channel so that when I post a new video, you'll be notified and you can keep up to date with this groundbreaking technology. Thank you again.